Hey, what's up, ABC fam? It's your boy T with Tax Appliance Services coming back at y'all. I've been away for a couple of days, just trying to take care of some stuff. But the first thing I want to do is, I want to thank those 12 subscribers out there. I can't believe 12 people want to hear what my crazy butt got to say, but I really appreciate y'all, what I'm saying, wanting to ride this ride with me. As y'all know, I'm taking this ride on the appliance repair business, trying to, you know, elevate my game. You know, um, One of the things that I just wanted to let y'all know is that your boy got a haircut. You know what I'm saying? I know y'all sitting up there saying, "Well, this brother, he talking about he a barber, and look at his hair up there, it woofing, he woofing, walking around talking crazy." Well, yeah, man, I go on a 2 week cycle. So, those videos that you were seeing, I was on that second week and I was woofing. Your boy was woofing. But on Sunday, that's the day I usually cut my hair. As you can see, I got the Corvallis. Don't it look good? Yes, sir. And for those out there who don't know what a Corvallis is, a Corvallis is a half all over your head. And if you don't know what a half is, take your clippers and adjust it, move the lever all the way back, and then cut your hair, and that's a half. So what you end up doing, you cut your hair and then you line it all up, and that's considered a Corvallis. Yeah. Anyway, I don't want to take too long on this video, but I just wanted to tell you guys and give you an update what's been going on with your boy. Saturday, I went to Lowe's. I had to go to Lowe's and try to pick up, all the dry vent cleaning uh, supply. I went there and I picked up a vac shop vac, but it wasn't the exact one that Mike was talking about. It was like a six gallon, 3.4 horsepower, and they didn't even have the 5 gallons. So I went on ahead and got it. And then, when you be talking to these, I hate to say it, you talk to some of these workers, man. This guy, he was working in the appliance section. And I asked him, I said, "Hey man, you got the dryer vent cleaning kit?" And he was like, uh, I don't think it's over here, but you can go down to aisle 15. It should be over there. So, I have my wife with me, my ride or die. And we go all the way down to aisle 15. We don't find nothing. So, to make a long story short, you know, we was asking people when we was going all over Lowe's trying to find this. Next thing I know, this dude, he come run us down talking about, "Excuse me, sir, excuse me. Is this what you was talking about?" And I was like, yeah, that's what I'm talking about, the little kit right there. He's like, "Oh yeah, over in my apartment, I've seen it. It was right there." And I was like, well, I'm saying to myself, I'm like, what is going on, bro? I mean, you work in this apartment, you don't know what's going on. So I was like, okay, well, hey, what about the extensions? Do you got extensions? Extensions. Oh, I don't know. That might be on aisle 10. So, I'm looking at my wife and I said, "Look, babe, let's walk on back over to the appliance repair section and see what we can find." So we went over there in the same place where they had the dryer vent cleaning kit. The extensions was right there. And he was like, "Oh yeah, there they are right there. It's the same spot where I put it, and I was like, "Wow, are you kidding me?" So I was like, "Well, man, I need three of them." So he went on ahead and gave me three of them. Went and did that. Went and got the drill. the corded drill, got that, and you know, that was pretty much it that we bought over there. So what I ended up doing was I ended up going home. You know, me and the wife, we shot back over to the house, went home, and then I looked and I was like, wait a minute, something missing. You know, oh yeah, I did get the 2.5 holes. They had that, so I got that. But what was missing was the real kit that he was talking about. This was like some junior kit, and it didn't even have the attachment which you hook up to the hose. It didn't even have that attachment. So I was like, oh no, nah, man. I said, shoot, what am I gonna do now? So, I thought about, I said, man, let me go on Amazon, see what's up. So your boy went on to Amazon, and boom, they had the exact same shop vac that Mike was talking about. Got that. And they had the exact same kit he was talking about. Got that. So I ended up ordering it. And then I was like, well, shoot, I'm taking this back to get my money. So went back to Lowe's, got my money, and came on back to the house. The problem is that I gotta wait for the shop vac and stuff to come in. But hey, it'll come in. I ain't tripping. It'll be here sooner or later. So another thing that your boy was doing in the meantime, while I'm waiting for my license. Anyway, that's a little frustrating. Waiting for my license. I went on ahead and took this course at Marcone turned me on to this company called Service Work. And what they are, they like a CRM company. And they cater towards appliance repair. That's who they market to, and that's who they built the program around. And I know Mike talked about that Zoho. I'm in the process of doing a free, demo of Zoho, but Zoho, man, for some reason to me, it's just a little confusing and trying to figure it out. So anyway, I was like, man, let me see what this dude's talking about with the service work. So man, I mean, service work to me is the bomb. It's easy. I mean, everything's right there. You can put your jobs in, and technicians can see the jobs. Everything is just cohesive to where whatever the tech puts in goes back in the system. I mean, it's just cool. And it hooks up to Marcone where you can have all your parts and stuff ordered straight through the system, and everything is just hooked up and cohesive. So I was like, man, I think I'm gonna go ahead and rock with them. And they give you a 14-day free trial. So I'm really thinking about rocking with them. I told them, once I get my license in and everything, then I'm gonna go ahead and rock with them. So I went on ahead and I did that little demo, which I liked. And another thing, this is gonna be life changing for me. I don't know about nobody else, but for me, well, your boy is colorblind. Okay, my wife and the doctor say it's color deficiency because I'm just red, greens, and I guess some purple color deficiency. But anyway, I'm that dude. Well, my wife found out that they have colorblind glasses that also you can have your prescriptions with it. So I went to my doctor and said, hey, I heard about these colorblind glasses. Can you hook a boy up? I said, because I'm gonna be working on these appliances, and they're gonna be having these colored wires. Now I did it before in the past, but I was just getting by. You know what I'm saying? I want to be like everybody else, see what everybody else see. It might be the reason why when I was doing my brazing, when you're doing them seal systems, they try to tell you, the color of the flame is usually like a blue color, whatever. Well, sometimes, man, I I ain't know if it was the right color or not. Your boy was just going with it, brazen. And sometimes it would take me a long time to braze something. I would try and go off of hearing what it sounds like. I'm like, shh, shh. I'm like, oh man, well that sounds good. Let me go ahead and hit it real quick. You know what I'm saying? That's what your boy was doing. But now, man, whoo, I'm gonna be able to see. And that's what I want to do. I want to see the colors like everybody else. I'm excited. So yeah, man, they gonna hook your boy up with these color deficiency glasses. Okay? So I'm excited about that. And if you know anybody out there who's colorblind, let them know that they can go to their doctor, eye doctor. I think it's another name for them, but I ain't even gonna say that. But anyway, you can go to the eye doctor and tell your eye doctor, man, I heard about these colorblind or color deficiency glasses. Hook me up. And from I understand, all it is the tint. It's this liquid tint that they put on it. So it ain't nothing real extravagant. It's just a tint. They dip it in the tint and boom, you good to go. You know what I'm saying? So I'm excited. I can't wait to get my license so I can get out here and hit it. You know, I'm gonna start off trying to hit these vent cleaning. That's what I'm starting off with the vent cleaning. And I'm getting my game plan down in the meantime, steadily taking courses online, checking out these webinars because I need to be equipped when I go out there. All right. Well, like I said, I don't want to be too long, but I just want to thank y'all from getting and watching your boy and going on this journey with me. Now, if you don't know, now you know. Subscribe, like, y'all know what to do. Peace.